Alrighty everybody, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another unboxing video. It's actually going to be 2 alarms, not just one, and I got both of these at one of my local Walmarts, and here they are. The first alert, SA303, and the first alert, SA304. I've been wanting these for such a long time, and I got these for a very good deal at Walmart, so yeah. I'm just gonna put the SA304 aside because we're gonna take out the SA303 first. So here we go. Okay, here's mounting hardware. Crappy power cell 9-volt battery, manual, only I can get this out of here. Okay, I didn't do that completely. Okay, there we go. Another part of the packaging, mounting base, and here's the actual alarm itself. Now let's see what the menu date is. 2023, February 23rd, so this thing is actually pretty much brand spanking new here. There we go, that's how you twist it on. Alright, let's put the battery in and see if it works. Alright, here we go. Alright, it does work. Right, opportunity for a dying sound? Nope. There we go. As the SA303, finally have one. Just put all this to the side, because now we're going to be doing the SA304. Take this out. There we go. For some reason this is wrapped, so take that out. Okay, it actually came with a Duracell battery, which is very good. Mounting hardware again. Manual. Another part of the packaging. Another part of the packaging. Same mounting base. And here's the actual detector itself. It mounts the same exact way as the 303, so yeah. See what the menu date is? 2023, May 30th. A lot newer than I expected, actually. Alright. Now let's put the battery in, see if it works. Only wants to. There we go. Alright, let's give it a test. That's actually a lot brighter than I expected it to be. Jesus. Alright, opportunity for dying sound. Nope. Alright, yep. SA303, SA304, finally have one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, here's the SA303 and SA304 next to each other. Same exact thing, but obviously, this one has the escape light, but this one doesn't, so it's pretty much the only difference between the two. Alright, this concludes this unboxing, and thank you all for watching, and have a great day.